guys, do you know that there is a way that you can get views from UK, US, Canada, Australia? Do you know? I know you guys don't know. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your views from USA, UK, Canada, and Australia. Yes, so stick to the end of this video. So the first thing that okay, the first reason why you need to get your views from all those countries, number one is to get high ad revenue. Yes, number one is to get high ad revenue. Number two is to get collaborations with companies, because you know business companies from there are getting high paying income and high visibilities. So the third thing is for you to get views, you understand, and the views from those top countries are paying high in ads revenue. So stick to the end of this video. So now guys, you know the thing is that when you are getting your views, I have some of my videos that they have views from USA. Yes, that video I have that video gave me 300 views. But do you know the amount of money that I get from that video? I know you don't know, guys, but let me tell you, I'll tell you the reason why you need to get your views from all those countries. Yes, so number one, let me tell you something. If you have a video that has views from USA 1000, and you have a video that has views from Nigeria 2000, or from Kenya 2000, let me tell you, do you know that that video that has 1000 views may get about two 200 200 dollars? Do you know that video from USA may earn higher than a video in Kenya, Nigeria, South Africa? Yes, because views that are coming from USA, they are paying higher than views that are coming from Nigeria and Kenya. You understand? That's the reason why you need to get views from there. Okay guys, let me tell you something. This method, it worked for me. I'm going to show you method that you're going to start getting views from all those top countries: USA, Canada, Australia. You understand? So stick to the end of this video. What you need to do: number one, you need to um post create videos with a topic about the country. You understand? Like, okay, now for example, how to make a donut in USA. And the second example is how to create how to start a business in USA. You understand? That's the first example of what you need to do to get views from there. So if you made a video from there, your title, your thumbnail, your description, everything, make sure that USA is included there. So from there, you will get a lot of views from that country in USA. So the second method is for you to email them. You understand? Okay, how are you going to email them? The first thing you need to do for you to email them is through their channel. When you go to their channel, you will see their email address. From there, you will email them directly. Then you will start talking to them, and they will tell you, you will start communicating with them. So the fourth method is for you to collaborate with them. You understand? Collaborating with them is the same method by emailing them. You will just send them an email. You will send them a message. From there, you will start talking to them. You can tell them whatever you want them to do for you. You understand? So all those things, they are very important on your videos. They are very important on your videos. That's how to get views from all those countries: USA, UK, Canada, Australia. So with this method, I'm very sure you will get views from those countries in any video. And the third method is for you to change your video location. Yes, change your video location Okay, now if you go to your YouTube desktop, go to your YouTube desktop version. When you log into your YouTube desktop version, go, if you want to when you want to upload a video, you will scroll down below, you will see show more. When you see show more, then you will now tap on video language. You will see video, language, you will see video location. So you will select the location, either USA, Canada, any location. From there, YouTube will now push that video to that country. You understand? YouTube will now push that video to that country. So guys, make sure that you go and do that thing. You can do that thing in your old videos. When you log into your YouTube studio, go to any video, go to content. When you go to content, choose the video that you want to change the video language. Scroll down below, you see show more. When you click on that show more, scroll down below, you see video language. When you click on that video language, select the video language that you want YouTube to push your video to that country. I mean video language. Select you will see video location. You will see location. When you select the location, then YouTube will now push your video to that country. You understand? So guys, make sure you do all these things that I'm telling you. So I think on this video, if you found this video very helpful, guys, please click the share button, subscribe, share, and I will catch you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.